So I walked into a house in Featherston, and on the wall was this little, I call it a kawa, I don't know if they call it a kawa then, but it was just like little sort of rules, but not really strong rules, but it's like, this is how we do things in our home, We look after each other, we listen, we do stuff like that. And actually, instead of having signatures, they had handprints on it. So as mum and dad and the kids all had their handprints, painted onto this poster of how we behave in our home. And I thought, that's e te whānau, that's awesome. That's mana kaha o te whānau happening there. And so we started to take little tools like that and go into our people, actually, here's this, here's that. And we began doing our wānanga on marae. The first time we did a manga kennel, and we were coming to the end, I was thinking, okay, how do we wrap this up? So we grabbed a charter, I got a charter. And when we have finishing hui in Māori world, we give a poroporaka, we have farewell speeches, that sort of thing. And so we did that to close our kaupapa, to close our wānanga. And I laid the charter down on the marae, like a koha. And I laid it on the marae and says, this is the koha. Are you of the marae ready to pick it up? Because if you pick it up, this is what it means. And they went, yep. And did a karanga to the kohanga and put it up. And now it stands on their wall, in their marae. So they've signed up to it as a marae, as a charter. One of the things we do now is going, well, if we did that on the marae, why don't we do it in the homes? So you give that to whānau to say, here, take this away. Are you ready? Are you willing as a whānau, or are you ready as a whānau, or have you got to a place within your whānau where you want to put the charter up on your wall?